How Genghis Khan used cats to capture a city. While besieging the fortified city of Valoya, Genghis Khan struggled to breach its walls. He sent peace terms to the city's ruler, offering to lift the siege in exchange for 1,000 cats and birds. The ruler, unaware of the cunning plan, agreed. Genghis Khan ordered his soldiers to tie oil-soaked cotton to the cats' tails and set them on fire. The terrified cats fled, setting wooden structures alight as they ran. Amid the chaos and fires, the defenders were overwhelmed, and Genghis Khan's forces launched a successful attack, capturing the city easily.